Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a referral program in Beehiiv. So let's get started. So here we are in beehiiv.com and we're currently logged in. And from here, what we're going to do is click on the grow button at the left side right here. Click on referral program. And then from here, you can see the dashboard of the referral program right here. So if you don't know what referral program in Beehiiv is, it's basically a program where you let your subscriber refer your newsletter or whatsoever in exchange for a reward that you will give them. So from here, we're going to click on new referral and type in the reward name that you would give them. So let's say reward number 1, just for the sake of example, and you would need to determine the reward type right here. So if it's physical, like a t-shirt, hoodie, or whatsoever, or you could go for a promo codes for discounts on your products, or you could go for digital, so maybe PDFs, courses, or whatsoever right here, depending on what you need or want to give. Or I'll just go for digital for this example. And referrals needed for milestones. So let's say we would want them to refer 1 in order for them to unlock the reward. And description, this is a course on how you can make your newsletter better. Maybe something like this. And disclaimer, so if you have some disclaimers, you can put it right here. And the prefix article and the image right here, so you can input some image. So let's say I'm just gonna put a random image right here just for the sake of it, and right here. So this is just an example. Let's say this was the course that I am uploading right here. So that is how it's gonna look like, and click on continue. And then from here, you can set up the milestone email right here. So this is what the subscriber will receive when they achieve the referrals needed to that reward. So from here, you have this option. So you can enable this. This would mean that you would need to review it first before the email would be sent. In that way, you would have a more secured way that nothing goes wrong in sending the rewards. It doesn't go to the wrong people that is trying to hijack the reward or something. So this one is very helpful. And the subject line, let's say reward number 1. You have earned this, maybe something like that. And then the content right here, so you can just upload a file, maybe a file right here. You can upload some image that you'd want to incorporate here, or you could just go for a button right here actually, and then from here they could have a link. You can embed a link right here that goes to your page or whatsoever, and so on. Yeah, depending on the email that you would want to build right here. So it's up to you. And click on continue once you're done with your email, and from here the additional settings. So this would be helpful when email being sent contains the actual reward, so you would want to activate this if you want that, and click on save. And then once you have done that, then you have now created a referral successfully, and then you can see it right here. And now from here, our referral program is now active, and I have added a new reward just for the sake of example, because now we will be editing how the referral block would look like. So we're gonna click here on configuration, and from here you can see how it would look like when you use the referral block right here. So you can go for email description and so on. You can have the template on how it's gonna look. You can make it look like this one, or you can make it look like this, depending on what you want. So yeah, this would also depend on the amount of referrals that your subscriber have and so on. So yeah, it would depend on how much they have. So it might display a different product right here if they have already got the previous product of the milestone. So this is how it's gonna look like. So once you're satisfied with this one, then you could just go and click on post, or you could actually go for a new post right here, start writing. And this is what I mean by the referral block. So you could use a slash and refer when writing, and you can click on referral program, and this is how it would look like right here. So this is what we have configured earlier. So this is how you use the referral block and how you can edit it and create the referral program. So that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.